Welcome to Zimist Coded. Have you ever typed in data in Excel and later realized that there's a lot of unnecessary white space before or after the text? It might not seem like a big deal at first, but when you're trying to clean up your spreadsheet, sort names, or match values, these extra spaces can become a real headache. Well, don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super easy way to trim all that unwanted space from your cells, fast and efficiently. Let's take a look at this Excel sheet. Over here in column A, we have a list of names. At first glance, everything looks fine, but on closer inspection, you'll notice that some names have extra white space before them, and others have it after. That's what we're going to clean up. To get started, I'll click on cell B2. This is where we'll use Excel's trim function. All I need to do is type equals trim, then open the parentheses and click on cell A2 because that's where our original name is. Close the bracket and hit enter. Just like that, the extra spaces are gone. Now, to apply this to the rest of the list, I'll drag the fill handle, that small square at the bottom right of the cell, downwards so the formula applies to all the names below. Instantly, we get neatly trimmed names in column B. But what if you want to replace the original column with these clean names? It's easy. First, highlight the trimmed cells in column B and copy them. Then go back to column A, right-click, and choose Paste Values. This way, you overwrite the messy data with the cleaned-up version. After pasting, you can go ahead and delete column B if you no longer need it. And that's it! No more worrying about stray white spaces causing issues in your Excel work. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple, smart solutions that make working with Excel a breeze. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.